how to buy Robux using GCash. Here's how it works. Go to the Roblox website, then click on the Robux icon here, and you want to choose buy Robux. Now choose the amount which you want to purchase. Here I'll just do the smallest amount possible, and once you click on it, it is going to ask you for the payment method. So you have credit, debit card, PayPal, you can redeem a Roblox card, or you have other. You want to click on other, and here secure payment, you will see the different methods. So if you are set to the Philippines, so I'm just gonna do this for the Philippines, you will get GCash, as you can see right here. You will click on GCash, then you will just click on continue, and you can buy Robux using GCash here after you have written your email, clicked on continue, and just follow the prompts. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.